So now we are going to install a firewall. A firewall may be overkill for your project. I still recommend installing it. If you don't need it for a future project, you can easily disable it. The firewall that we are going to install is called UncomplicatedFirewall, or UFW. It's a very easy to install and very easy to use firewall, hence uncomplicated being in the name. We will install it using sudo apt-get install UFW. And of course we need to put our password in. So the system has finished installing UFW. So the next thing that we'll want to do is to allow some traffic through the firewall. One of the things that we'll want to most definitely allow is SSH traffic. There's a couple of ways that we could do this. We could do it with the command sudo UFW allow and then specify the port. So then another way that we could do it is we could say sudo UFW allow, and then we could specify the actual protocol name. So in this case, it would be SSH. Okay, so now we actually need to enable the firewall because it's not been enabled yet. So we will do sudo UFW enable. And yes. Okay. And then, as recommended by the Raspberry Pi Foundation website, we will also enable the limit feature. So sudo UFW limit SSH over TCP connections. So this command will block connection attempts if more than 6 login attempts occur within 30 seconds. So as I mentioned earlier, if you don't need the firewall for a project, as you can probably already guess, you would simply type the command sudo UFW disable. So that is installing a firewall. That's pretty simple.